I'm going to be showing you how you can get more reviews on Amazon with a review request tool. Now this tool helps you request reviews automatically from your buyers on Amazon. This is going to be a very quick video. So this is the extension. It's called Amazon Review Request Tool. Just search for it on Chrome Web Store. Now as you can see, this is the video introduction of the extension.
Amazon Seller Center. The most recent of it is Amazon's take on making it easy for sellers to increase product reviews.
So this extension will help you increase product reviews, especially if you are like publishing a new product and you want to get the reviews quickly. Now just download the extension, click on add the extension, and then after that you want to download the Chrome extension here, and you want to click on get started. The pricing of this is not really that expensive. You can for sellers just getting started with Amazon, it's $0, so you don't have to pay for anything. But for sellers selling like multiple products and growing revenue, you pay like $99. For sellers looking to scale the business, $149. So these are the features you are getting with the free plan and the premium plan. So after that, you want to click on get started, and you just need to create an account here. Click on sign in and just log in. Seller, you can log in using your Google, and after that you scroll down and click on continue. So here you want to enter your phone number and then follow the steps, and you will be able to create an account on the website. After that, you will be able to request reviews from your buyers automatically, and then you will start to get more reviews on your products on Amazon. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone, so just let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. Now, if you have any questions here, just let me know and drop a like, and see you.